Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 21 of our chemistry course, Biochemistry, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 21, Biochemistry, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into carbohydrates, basis of classification and structure-function relationship, carbohydrates, role in health and diseases, carbohydrates, nutritional importance and role as energy storage, proteins, basis of classification and structure-function relationship, proteins, role in maintaining body functions and nutritional importance, enzymes, role as biocatalyst and in food digestion. Factors affecting enzyme activity, temperature and pH, inhibitors of enzyme catalyzed reactions, lipids, basis of classification and structure function relationship, lipids, nutritional and biological importance, DNA and RNA, structural components, DNA and RNA, structural differences, DNA, relating sequences to genetic information storage, RNA, relating sequences to protein translation, minerals, sources of iron, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, minerals, role in nutrition. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with carbohydrates, basis of classification and structure-function relationship. This lesson focuses on the classification and structure-function relationship of carbohydrates. Students will understand the diverse roles carbohydrates play in biological systems. Next, we'll discuss carbohydrates' role in health and diseases. Building on the knowledge of carbohydrates, this lesson explains their role in maintaining health and their implications in diseases. Students will explore the impact of carbohydrates on overall well-being. Following that, we'll cover carbohydrates, nutritional importance and role as energy storage. Students will identify the nutritional importance of carbohydrates and their role as energy storage molecules. Understanding how carbohydrates contribute to the body's energy needs is crucial for recognizing their dietary significance. Next, we'll delve into proteins, basis of classification and structure-function relationship. This lesson focuses on the classification and structure-function relationship of proteins. Students will learn about the diverse functions proteins perform in living organisms. Then, we'll describe proteins' role in maintaining body functions and nutritional importance. Building on the knowledge of proteins, this lesson explains their role in maintaining body functions and their nutritional importance. Students will explore how proteins contribute to overall health and well-being. We'll then move on to enzymes, role as biocatalysts and in food digestion. In this lesson, students will describe the role of enzymes as biocatalysts and their involvement in food digestion. Understanding the catalytic properties of enzymes is essential for comprehending biochemical processes. Next, we'll cover factors affecting enzyme activity, temperature, and pH. Students will identify how factors such as temperature and pH affect enzyme activity. Understanding these environmental conditions is crucial for predicting enzyme efficiency. We'll also discuss inhibitors of enzyme-catalyzed reactions. This lesson explains the role of inhibitors in enzyme-catalyzed reactions. Students will understand how inhibitors modulate enzymatic activity and regulate biochemical pathways. Following that, we'll describe lipids, basis of classification and structure-function relationship. This lesson focuses on the classification and structure-function relationship of lipids. Students will understand the diverse roles and structures of lipids in biological systems. We'll then explore lipids' nutritional and biological importance. Building on the knowledge of lipids, this lesson highlights their nutritional and biological importance. Students will recognize the essential roles that lipids play in nutrition and physiological functions. Next, we'll cover DNA and RNA structural components. In this lesson, students will identify the structural components of DNA and RNA. Understanding these molecular structures is crucial for comprehending their roles in genetic information storage and transfer. We'll then move on to DNA and RNA structural differences. Students will recognize the structural differences between DNA, double strand, and RNA, single strand. Understanding these unique features is essential for comprehending their distinct functions. Following that, we'll describe DNA relating sequences to genetic information storage. In this lesson, students will relate DNA sequences to their function as the storage of genetic information. Understanding the genetic code and its role in encoding information is crucial for comprehending inheritance. Next, we'll discuss RNA relating sequences to protein translation. Building on the knowledge of DNA, this lesson explains how RNA sequences, transcripts, transfer information to proteins through translation. Students will understand RNA's role as a messenger in protein synthesis. We'll also cover minerals, sources of iron, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. Students will identify the sources of essential minerals in this lesson. Understanding where these minerals can be obtained is crucial for maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. Finally, we'll describe minerals' role in nutrition. This lesson highlights the role of minerals such as iron, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc in nutrition. Students will recognize the vital functions these minerals play in maintaining overall health. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam-ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 21 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.